All right, what's going on YouTube? We are back on the Enebo Racing channel here. We've got a short video for you, simple fix. We're working on our new 92 Foxbody GT. Simple fix, our turn signals aren't flashing. First thing to always check is the turn signal flasher. So I picked one up at work today and we are gonna install it. I was looking around to see where it was at because it was not in the same location as my 89. And so I checked my Chilton's manual, couldn't find it there. Looked online, kind of had to look around until I found one guy's video. Shout out Brandon Walker. It's a really quick video and it shows you exactly where they're at on the, I think, 90 to 93 cars. And so I'm gonna show you where mine was at because it was a little different than his. Let's go take a look. So originally, for my 89, it's right next to the steering column under there, and it wasn't there, so I did not know where else to look. I went online, it said, or in the Chilton's manual, it says it might be behind the radio, but I looked all around back there, nothing, until I found Brandon Walker's video. Let me go show you where it's at. So in Brandon's video, his was tucked behind the carpet up here. However, for mine, with one little pop, one little snap. Ding, ding, ding. A cheap, super light. I mean, this thing's nothing in there. So we're gonna swap it out with a long life unit from O'Reilly's and we'll hope that we got some turn signals again.
What's up? Does it need the flash on?
All right, so before, we'd have the bulb light up, show the bulb up there.
Oh, yep.
So the circuit to the light was good, but there was no flashing going on.
Yep.
Then this little relay or flasher unit here is gonna get, oh, made in China. Jeez, man. Plug in the old long life.
There we go.
They're working. Nice.
That's awesome.
Sweet. All right, so there you have it. Super quick, super easy. I just wanted to show you mainly where the location of that was. But yeah, if you liked the video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. And as always, stay ripping.